Hey, Jamie, did you check the readings from the new infusion pump in room 4? I've noticed it's been fluctuating. It reminds me of the issue we had last week with the oxygen monitors, but this time, it's not just the flow rate that's inconsistent. The alarm system goes off sporadically, even though the dosage settings are correct.
Yeah, I did MIHIRA. At first, I thought it was just like the problem we had with the BP monitors last month, those false high-pressure readings, but it seems different. Did you recalibrate it?
I did it twice. The weird thing is that the primary function works fine when you set the flow manually, but the moment it switches to automatic, that's when the issues start. It's not a programming error because the software update from last week should have covered that. The alert system shouldn't be this sensitive unless there's an internal wiring fault.
That's strange, MIHIRA. So, it's not the flow, not the dosage, and the settings are fine manually. Could it be a sensor misalignment?
Exactly. It's the internal sensor not picking up the correct flow when on auto. I think we'll need to get it serviced.
Thank you for explaining that so clearly, Mihira. It sounds like it has been an exhausting and difficult time for you. Now, to help you with that breathlessness, we are going to start you on some oxygen therapy, which is a key part of your treatment. The oxygen is delivered through these soft prongs in your nose to directly support your breathing. Its primary role is to ensure your body receives the essential amount of oxygen it requires for your vital organs to function properly, especially when your lungs are struggling. This is a very safe and closely monitored treatment. However, it is absolutely crucial that you do not adjust the flow rate yourself. The specific rate has been carefully prescribed by the doctor based on your current blood gas levels and medical needs. Changing it independently poses a significant safety risk, as too little oxygen won't adequately relieve your breathlessness, while too much oxygen can be dangerous for some COPD patients, potentially slowing your breathing down too much. Your safety is our priority, so we will manage the settings for you.